Hey, sir, thank you for that introduction and for your comments. And thank you to everyone who participated in this challenge. And I'd say by collaborating with us, the U.S. Army and the Army Futures Command, you're a critical part of the team that will ensure that together we provide our soldiers the best technology and capabilities so that they remain the safest and most effective in the world. I just want to say congratulations to all our finalists. Your hard work and dedication is apparent with all of your very impressive submissions. This year's Innovation Combine has proven that there are so many people and teams who can contribute in different ways. This was truly a great event. So now we want you on our team, and as we continue to work to forge the future for the Army and our nation. So I know you all have been waiting a long time for this, and now, without any further ado, it's my privilege to announce the winners of the 2020 Army Futures Command Innovation Combine. And first, we need an online drum roll. I know there's a lot of people out there, so get your drum roll going. I'll say in the category of novel materials for weight reduction and survivability, the winning company is FPH USA from Roseville, Michigan. Woo! Online cheering is going on. Yeah! Congratulations. In the second category of scalable power and energy solutions, the winning company is TexPower Inc. from Austin, Texas. Woo! Yay! More online cheering. Thousands and crowds are going crazy. Yay! Hey, good job. Look, on behalf of the U.S. Army Futures Command and the Combat Capabilities Development Command, it's my pleasure to congratulate all of you finalists and to thank you for taking part in this competition. We look forward to working with you in the future.